Welcome back, students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you Xpath function. Xpath function. So in this Xpath function, first function is text. So what is use of this text function? Using this text function you can find out any web element based on visible text. So take a scenario. For example, so this is the Gmail login page. So my intention is I want to find out this next button using visible text or Xpath function. So how to find out? Just right click, inspect element, then click on this selector, click on this next button. So see, this is the property. So in that, so see, this is the next is the visible text. So directly you can copy, either you can directly same as it is while using the text function. So what is the syntax? What is the syntax? Syntax is // then tag name, then text opening and closing parenthesis equals to value or visible text. So see here, so how we can create // so tag name. So either you can type the tag name like input text, whatever the tag is present. See here at the top there is one tag input. So either you can use this tag or simply you can use the star, means any tag it will access. Then text method, then equals to visible text. So what is the visible text? See here, so next is the visible text. So directly type next, so it will find out. So let me check, just copy this one and see here, just paste here. So this will identify, see, one matching node. When you click here, so see, it's highlighted. Just see here, when I click here, it's highlighted, means our Xpath is working. Simply copy this one and so we will write down the program. This is IntelliJ IDEA. It's loading. So here so I will write down the selenium command driver dot find element by dot Xpath in double inverted comma, just paste the copied text function. So what action we have to perform? We have to click on this button. Okay, just give the command dot click. So see, this is the Gmail login page. Just click on run Xpath. So see, Chrome is started. So page is loaded, and see, we have successfully clicked here. See, enter an email. So when we click on this, so this message will display, means our Xpath is working. So like this you can use the text function. So using this text function, can we find out this forgot an email? Let's try. So we will type from beginning, so you will get more clarity. // then star represent any tag name, then text opening and closing parenthesis equals to in single inverted comma. What is the visible text? Forgot email. Directly you can type as it is, forgot space email. So why we are unable to find out? Tell me why we are unable to find out? Because this, see, this visible text having the space. So how to find out any web element having the space? For example, create a account. So this is also having the space. So for that we can use another Xpath function, that is normalize-space. Normalize-space. So this normalize-space, how to use this normalize-space? So for that, so what is the syntax? Syntax is // tag name bracket inside normalize hyphen space opening and closing parenthesis in this text, and after this closing bracket equals to in single inverted comma visible text having the space you have to write down. So how you will write down? See here, so we can write down for forgot an email using normalize space. See, // star bracket, then normalize hyphen space bracket inside bracket text opening and closing parenthesis, then equals to single inverted comma. Here you have to type forgot space email and question mark. See, it's find out. See one matching node. When I click on here, it's find out successfully. So same, see this create an account. So this will also we will create. See, simply copy this one and I will paste here, so you will get the clarity how the Xpath is written. What is C? 2/ tag name. So tag name, instead of tag name you can use star, then same in opening bracket normalize-space text function, close this body, equals to, so visible text. So our visible text is forgot email. So how you will create the same Xpath for the create an account? So for that, to // normalize-space inside text equals to create account. So it will find out that one. See, let me check this is working or not. Simply I will copy this forget an account normalize-space and I will type this inside this code. Driver dot find element by dot Xpath dot, what action we have to perform? Click. Just click on this, run. It has started. From driver was started. It's loading. See, and it has clicked successfully. See, find your email. So means our normalize-space Xpath is successfully working. So my second scenario is we have to click on this create an account using what? Normalize-space. So instead of this forgot email, I will write down create account. See, it has find out successfully. When I click here, it has find out. So this we have created successfully. So this is also working here. Let me check in Selenium code. I will mark comment driver dot find element by dot Xpath. So just paste here and dot click. So let me check. Just click on this run button. Chrome was started. See, we have successfully click create an account. So like this we can use the Xpath function.
Welcome back, students.
Another
in this
intention
tutorial
is
we are going to discuss
I want to
advanced Xpath.
write
So what is
one
meant by
Xpath and
advanced
move
Xpath?
from backward and
So
forward.
take a
Scenario. So how we can move from
when I
parent
click on
to
this
child
create
and
an
child
account,
to parent node. So in next tutorial we will learn third important Xpath function, that
there
is one
form.
and
So
advanced
this is one form.
Xpath. So my intention is I want to move from, so this will discuss
This
in parent
next
node
tutorial.
to this child node.
Thank you.
Okay, this child node, and from this parent to this child. So how I can move? So I can move, for example, I have to click on this last name using this username. So first of all I will find out this. See, just click on this one and click here. So you will get the property of this form. See, when I click on this, so see, this is the property, type equals to email, and see, let me check, see, ID property is user. So see, simply I will copy this ID equals to username. So using preceding and following sibling, you can move from parent to child node. So this advanced Xpath is used to move, it is used to move from parent to child node. So advanced Xpath is used to move from parent to child node. So in advanced Xpath, first advanced Xpath is preceding. And second one is following. So what is meant by preceding and what is meant by following? So see this scenario. So first I will create this username Xpath // what is the syntax to create customize Xpath? So normally we can use /* star @ attribute and value. So already we copied. See, it's find successfully. So my intention is using this Xpath. Okay, so using this Xpath I have to move from this backward and forward. So if you want to move this preceding means backward, so you can use preceding Xpath function. What is this? Preceding. So after this customize Xpath / preceding, then ;, then tag name. What is the tag name here? See, input is the tag name, input in bracket. So see, there are two elements. Which element you have to move? In bracket you have to write down first. So it's find out successfully. See, when I click here it has find out. So let me copy, create copy and paste here. So see, this is the preceding. So this is the Xpath for preceding, to move the backward. See here, preceding is used to move back. So like this you can move back element. So let me copy this one and so see here. So I will type here driver dot find element by dot xpath and in double inverted comma type this xpath and what we can type dot send keys. I can write down Mahesh sir. Okay. So before opening this form, so first of all we have to click on this create account and move here and click on this, then this form will open. So for that scenario I will use this create account. I will create one Xpath. See here, to click on this create account // star text equals to visible text so it has find out successfully. So before that we have to click. So we have already written here, see, using normalize-space you can move this because this create an account having the space. After creating this we have to move this element and type Mahesh sir. So before that there is one scenario. See here, when we click on, so this will appear. So select, so see, there is, see what is the property of this one. For my personal use, so directly I will copy this one. So for this also I will create Xpath using normalize-space. Normalize-space inside this text equals to, see, it has find out, it's find out successfully. So let me copy this one. After clicking this one, so we have to wait here. Thread dot sleep inside this. I can see it's not streaming. Thread dot sleep. So see here, and interrupt exception, add exception. Okay, so after clicking on that, driver dot find element by dot xpath, just paste this one. What we have to perform dot click. After clicking on this, so this page will open, and then we have to type here. Okay, so in the last name you have to type out. So instead of Mahesh sir, I will write down Lambade. Okay, so let me check it's working or not. We have successfully written all the XPath. See, we have written here successfully. So just click on this run. So let me check this is working or not. It's open. It has opened successfully, and there is one correction is here. So we have to type here driver dot find element by dot xpath // normalize -space text equals to create account dot click. So once we click on this create account, so it will take some time to load. So for that I will use thread dot sleep, and after that again we have to use. So thread dot sleep I have written 2 times. Instead of this we can use another implicit wait and explicit wait. So we will discuss later about that. Just click on run. See what will happen. See, it has click on create an account, then see what will happen. So see here, after clicking this, it's waiting, and normalize-space for my personal use. Just click, then driver dot find element. So there is one space here. Remove this space If it is not working, then we have to use action class to perform this one. Let me check. Just click on this. See, it has opened. Create an account, and see, it has click, and in username Lambade we have written successfully. See here, so it means our Xpath is working successfully. See here, what is our task? First task, our task is, see here, we open the Gmail login page, then we have click on create an account, then we move the cursor, see here, from here to here, then we have click on for my personal use, and then we have written Lambade. So this is of preceding. So my another intention is, I want to write down this username. Okay, so see, let me open this one. So my another intention is, I want to type here or find out this box. Okay, this boxes, two boxes. Okay, how I will find out? So using the following I can find out. So how I will find out? See here, so for that I can use which Xpath following. So what is the syntax? Syntax // then tag name, then @ attribute equals to value, then / following :, and inside this bracket you have to write down on which box you have to move. For example, this is parent and this is child. I want to move from here to here, so this is first and this is second. So see here, so for that directly I can write down inside this first or second. So let me create the Xpath to find out this one to this one. Okay, so see here, just maximize, and see, I already we have opened this. Okay, let me close this. See here, so up to this we have created. So first of all I have to find out this. So I will create the fresh Xpath for you, // inside this. So what is the attribute for this one? I will use this ID equals to username, so @control+V. So it has find out, then instead of double inverted comma write down the single inverted comma. Okay, then forward slash, what is the syntax, following double colon, then tag name. What is the tag name? See here, input is the tag name, so inside this bracket you have to type which one you have to find out, 0 or 1. So 1, so it has find out. 2, it has find out, means this is 1 and 2, so we have to find out both 1. Okay, 1, so it's working. Simply select, copy, see here, double forward slash tag name. Instead of tag name we have used, what we have used, star, then in bracket id equals to username. See, attribute is the id name, class name, forward slash following double colon, input is the tag, and here you have to give the number on which child element you have to move. So let me write one command for that. Driver dot find element by dot xpath. In the xpath write down this one, dot send keys. So what we have to write down, password and confirm password. So I will write down 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again create one more xpath to this confirm. So again I will create one fresh xpath for you. Okay, username forward slash okay, forward slash following double colon. So what is the tag name? Input is the tag name. Instead of this I can use star bracket, inside the bracket, see, one is this, and we have to move second one. So we will use this one. How we can move, how we can use, see here. So we have to move, so this is the 3rd and 4th. Okay, following, so we can type sibling 1 2 3. Okay, see here, okay, so let me type from beginning. So from this element, to we have to move here. Okay, so just click here and see what is the attribute value. It is, so see, this is the name equals to user, copy /* @ name equals to value. See, we have find out successfully / following ; input and in bracket 1. See, we have successfully find out. So see here, this is first one. When I click on it, it has find out, and see, when I type 2, so it will move on the second. For the first we have find out, so we have to find out this confirm password. So this is the Xpath for the confirm password. Let me copy this one and type here driver dot find element by dot Xpath. So inside this I will type here dot send keys 1 2 3 4 5. So see here, I will use thread dot slip just click on run. See, it's loading. Chrome was started successfully. So it's loading. See, it's open, and it has click on create account, and then for my personal use it has, see, it has type the last name, and see, it has written password and confirm password. So like this we can use preceding and following. So this is the advanced Xpath. So one more scenario is here. So if there is number of box, so there is 10 or 11 boxes is there. So how you will move? So using this following and preceding you can move. Again, it has, for example, it has having the different child element. So how you can use? So using sibling. So using sibling also you can move. So using sibling also you can move. See, with the following and preceding sibling we can move. See, we can use preceding preceding-sibling. Preceding-sibling. We can use preceding-sibling and following-sibling. So how to use preceding and following sibling in next tutorial we will discuss. Thank you.
आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना। तो देखो, चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो यार। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में जल्द ही।